wanna say goodbye, yeah. Want your skin on my skin, just one last time. If I can't have you, babe, I don't want nobody else in my life.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tori if you're new here, and today I am going to be showing you some vegan sheet pan meals. They are healthy, they are so easy and quick to put together. I cannot wait to show you all of the flavors we are combining. If you have not already, hit that subscribe button. Check out all of the description box to see these ingredients and how to cook everything. And if you are excited, let's get right into the video. We are going to be kicking these sheet pans off with this scalloped vegetables, is what we're going to call it. I have some zucchini in there, sweet potato and onion with a vegan bechamel sauce. I believe that's how you pronounce it, but you can make it however you want. Chop these in little coin styles, and then your onions are going to kind of be these triangles. You can absolutely arrange this in however way you want. I just thought it looked nice if I did it like this, so I'm going around the circle. I had more sweet potato, so I'm doing 2 sweet potato, 1 zucchini, and then some onion. And then you will see when I get towards the center that it just didn't equal out, so it's not going to look perfect, but I'm going to set my oven at 400 right now just so it gets preheated. And then I'm going to sprinkle this with salt and pepper as well as that sauce. So it's essentially just vegan butter, a little bit of almond milk, vegan cream cheese, fresh parsley, a squirt of lemon juice, and that is all. I put everything on the stove. I usually would add some cornstarch slurry, but it was thick enough for me, and then I ended up baking it for around 20 minutes, and then I left it in for an extra 5 minutes while I turned off the oven, and it came out amazing. It was so good. It even got a little crispy, which I thought made a interesting little flavor combo. I served mine with quinoa, and I hope you enjoy this. This is one of my favorite ways to make these veggies.
Tell me, do you feel the same? I don't wanna leave just yet. Darling, please pull me closer.
Next up is this sheet pan Old Bay bake. I'm going to be using some potato, asparagus, carrot, chickpeas, and a little bit of Old Bay. I am going to be putting some avocado oil in here, but it's not necessary, believe it or not. But all you want to do is chop these vegetables, and you are going to cook your potatoes and your carrots first, and then add your rinsed chickpeas as well as your asparagus. Give some Old Bay to that generously. I love Old Bay. And I am going to serve mine with some brown rice and then a just mixture of vegan mayo and sriracha, but you could definitely use whatever kind of sauce that you would like.
Tried sometimes, but you're making me nervous. No, I've realized that I can't live without you. All my friends reassure that it's obvious, and that maybe I'm wasting my time, but I gotta try. The only reason I keep sneaking out at night to laugh with you in secret under city lights. Surprised you never had the guts to figure out how I feel about you.
All right, I think this is my new favorite go-to weeknight meal. This is going to be sheet pan gnocchi and fajita veggies. So we're going to call it fajita gnocchi. And all you're going to need is some fajita veggies. So I have zucchini, onion, bell pepper, and I'm going to use some black beans, but you could use a different protein if you would like. And I'm going to slice everything nice and thin. I'm going to bake it with no oil with some seasonings that you will see coming up here soon. If you are stumped on any of the ingredients, just remember to check the description box down below. I am going to serve mine with some ready to go gnocchi just right out of the bag. It is super inexpensive and they are generally vegan. You just have to double check on your ingredients. And then I'm going to serve it with that homemade sauce from the Scalloped Vegetables in the beginning of the video. You could absolutely find like a frozen gnocchi with a cheese sauce, but this was super delicious. I served my husband's with some bacon and sour cream, and then mine with a little bit of Greek vegan yogurt and some spinach and tomato. This was delicious, so decadent. I hope you try this one. Next up is going to be the sweet and sour tofu and broccoli. I ended up serving it right on top of one of my favorite salad mixtures. So right now I have some broccoli, carrots, and tofu, and then I have the Asian chopped salad kit. So you're going to need everything in there except for the dressing. It is vegan, you're just not going to be needing the dressing. You're going to use soy sauce instead. And then I press my tofu. I'm letting all of the water get out of that. And I'm going to chop everything nice and small. I'm going to bake that all together, and then I'm going to prepare my salad on the side just to let all of that soy sauce kind of coat the cabbage and everything in the salad kit. It's going to come with slivered almonds as well as some wonton strips like your typical Asian style salad. And the combination of this warm with cold is just so good. I don't think it would work with a regular salad kit. You could absolutely try, but cabbage is one of those sturdier greens, and I really enjoyed this flavor combo. Let me know if you try this one. I know it's a little bit unique. You could certainly serve it over rice noodles or rice itself, but yeah, I chose cabbage and wow, it was delicious.
As a young girl, the fields were mine. We played hide and seek for hours, raised our shadows among the pines. So offshore, playful and free, without a care in the world. I was one rich little girl, daydreamer, kidnap me, take me back, all the way back to them days, running around in a gown and a crown, barefoot. No mistake ever kept me late. We spent summers catching fireflies and winters on our skates. One big smile across my face. We used to dance our way to church on Sundays, Mama set the pace, daydreamer, kitten and maid. Take me back, all the way back to them days. Running around in a gown and a crown, barefoot.
Alrighty everyone, that is going to do it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed these sheet pan meals. As always, stay adventurous, stay creative, and I will see you next time. Bye y'all.
Daydream.